bodies hit the floor. Everybody hit the floor. You got bottles, I got more. Let the bodies hit the floor. 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 Oh yeah. Bodies gon' drop like a bag of ice. Yeah. But if the cash is right, my homies don't.
Hey guys, so today we're doing the Bantu knot curl out tutorial. I haven't done this in a minute. I haven't done Bantu knot since like grade 9. So we're gonna try this out again. I wanted to do 2 different methods. I wanted to do a wet method and I wanted to do a dry method. I'll post a dry method in a week or 2, but right now this is gonna be our wet method. What I mean by wet method is we're oiling our hair and we're gonna use water. You're going to see later in the video, so just stay tuned. Right now, I'm just oiling my hair with Wild Growth hair serum. I'll add it in my bio so you guys know where to buy it. Okay, all oiled and brushed out. Now we're going to get right into it and start off with our first row. So I'm just going in from the back and just sectioning it off. It doesn't have to be a clean section at all because you're just going to take this out in the morning. It does not matter. But I'm going to use a comb to just clean it out just a bit. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confianza. Okay, so now split that section into 2 and get your spray bottle and fill it with water. I don't know what's wrong with mine. I think it's broken, but it keeps spilling everywhere. Then after the water, I apply this Cantu leave-in conditioning cream to lock in the moisture. Then I just comb out my section to get any last knots out. And then we're going to start twisting. So all you do is just twist, literally. Twist, twist, twist. And then we're going to wrap it around just like a bun. And make sure to do it tight so that it's secure while you're sleeping. So yeah, keep wrapping it around like a regular bun, and you want to move downwards, like wrap downwards as much as possible. But I know sometimes like if your hair is long, you're gonna have to go up a bit, and that's okay too. Just aim to go down when you're almost done the twist. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá. So now we're getting our second section, and again, the parting does not matter, guys. Don't stress out about it because literally it does not change anything. Okay, again, you get your section, and at this point I was so tired of my spray bottle, so I just put the water on my hand and went over my hair with it. And then you put your Cantu cream, and then you're gonna comb this out and twist. Also guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more tutorials like these. And please give me some feedback. You know, I want to learn. I always want to learn how I can improve my videos to best serve you guys. Also want to mention that it doesn't matter how you do it. So you can twist, twist, twist your hair and then wrap it all at once. Or you can twist, wrap, twist, wrap. It doesn't really matter. And yeah, just remember that at the end when you're almost done your twist to wrap under your twist. I don't know if that makes sense by how I'm saying it, but you're gonna see. Pay attention to this twist because this is where you can actually see what I'm talking about twisting under the twist. So yeah, applied my products, brushed out my hair. Now we're twisting. Again, twisting it tight so that it's secured while we're sleeping. We don't want to worry about it coming out and having to fix it up during our sleep. Okay, here you guys can see how I'm wrapping it downwards. And as I mentioned before, if you have really long hair, you're going to want to go up a bit sometimes because it could be really tight if you keep going downwards, like there's no space. So now you're almost done your twist. You have that little part, you're just going to tuck it right under like that. And that's how you know it's going to be secure. You won't have to worry about it coming out. So I just went ahead and got most of it done for you guys. Now it's just the front. So again, same procedure, section, water, Cantu, twist, and under the twist. Just be mindful of your edges. I want to try the dry method sometime next week or in 2 weeks, just to see if there's a difference in the curl out if I don't use any product compared to when I use product. So I'll show you guys, and if you're on my Instagram, hair by Solit, I will update you guys, and if there isn't much of a difference, then I'm not going to film it, and I'll let you guys know on my story as well.
De la gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad y más
Now we are done our twists and almost ready to go to sleep, and I'm just going to go over my partings with my serum again.
Días que no hemos tocado y yo no quiero descansar. Resuena por la pared creando una canción. No quiero perder el ritmo.
Okay, this part is really extra. I'm just getting my foaming lotion and I'm just putting it over to give it an extra shine in the morning, and just because it feels nice on my hair and it smells good. Now we are done and ready to go to sleep. I'll see you guys in the morning. This is me the next morning. I'm still super tired in this video, but you know, whatever, I had to get the video done. And y'all, I look like an inmate. But yeah, anyways, taking out the twist, super easy. You just twist it the opposite way that you twisted it and unravel.
Solo un trueno de horizontes, seremos miles, crecemos en número, solo un trueno de horizontes, seremos miles, más y más.
So here I am just going through all my twists and just separating them. Okay, at first I didn't like it, but then I remembered I had to create more volume, so I didn't have my pick, so I just used my hand and I just, you know, massaged my hair and created more volume. Then it turned out nice. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon.
Yeah.